Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to increase your snap scores. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, what you have to do is just open Snapchat here, and first of all let me show you my snap scores. So you can see my snap score is 2782 now. So I'm going to tell you how can you increase your snap score. So go back and then tap on below button here and then tap on multi snap and take snap from here as many as you can. So you can see here multi snap can capture up to 8 snap at a time. So what you have to do is just tap on OK, and if you want to edit your snap you can do this. So then tap on send to. So you can create your shortcut from here. I have already created. If you want to create your shortcut, so tap on shortcut and then tap on new shortcut and select from here as many as you can, and then tap on choose emoji and select from here any emoji, and then tap on create shortcut, and your shortcut has been created now. And from here what you have to do is just tap on shortcut here and then tap on select all and then tap on another shortcut and then tap on select all and then tap on send to. So wait for a minute. Your snap is sending now. After your snap has been sent, so close this one and again tap on Snapchat and then tap on profile icon. So guys, as you can see my snap score is now 3198. So that is the method you can increase your snap score. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like this and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.